So this I have bought hazard flasher from Simtech along with LEDs for the indicators. So this is the bill, and here you can see what they have given. So they have sent a mask also. Okay, so this is Simtech flasher, hazard flash. This is the LED bulbs. So just cut open. So here they have given a warranty inside, and this is the flasher relay, hazard flasher, and there is a switch inside. I have bought LED bulbs, so I want to change the four indicators along with this LED lights, because this is much brighter than the stock bulbs. So let us see how it looks. Oh, so here also they have provided a warranty card for the LED bulbs. So pretty good. So here you can see, just go back. So here you can see there are 4 bulbs for 4 indicators. So these are orange ones. If you can see, there are orange ones, not the white ones. So just remove ones. So you can see that have LEDs all over and on the top also. So this is a straight fit connector. If you can see these 2 pins, they are 180-degree apart. It means straight type pins. For Royal Enfield, Interceptor, Continental GT, and Himalayan, and the recent X models, it is straight, whereas in old models of Classic and Standard Bullet, it is a angular pin, where the pins are at angle at 120-degree or 140-degree something. So tomorrow I am going to the mechanic and get it fixed, and let us see how this works. So friends, we are at Gear Motorcycle, which is just adjacent of Bike and Biker. If you are from Bangalore, you know this place called Adugudi. It is in that place. So I have come here to get this Simtech hazard relay and LED bulbs fitted onto my Interceptor 650. Okay.
और ये स्विच का
ठीक है, ओके, बस इतना ही.
हाँ,
Easy.
बस इतना ही.
हाँ.
अभी रन हो जाएगा.
So friends, our device Simtech hazard relay has been fixed, and the switch is also fixed on the handlebar. Now you can see we are testing that hazard relay. So different type of motions we are testing.
आपको जो पसंद है वो बताइए. थोड़ा सा ये क्या तो कट जाएगा.
ज़्यादा स्पेस नहीं दिया उसके अंदर. So I do not understand why Royal Enfield has chosen this from the Continental GT 535. They should have used Thunderbird's indicator, which has more space, so that mechanic or self we can work upon that during the replacement of the bulbs, all those things. Here the wire is very short. It is very difficult to remove and mounting. So you have to be very careful on this. So in few months I will be changing over to the old Thunderbird Chrome 1 indicator, which I like, and that also suits this Interceptor model very much. So now he has fixed that. now the bulb fixing is completed. So now we are testing this. As you can see, the LED bulbs are much brighter and much quicker response compared to the stock bulbs. So friends, I have come to my apartment basement in the evening. So just to show you how much brighter these Simtech LEDs are, and the hazard relay working also. So as you can see, this is way brighter and faster response compared to the stock ones. So I do not know whether you are able to notice the brightness or not, but actually if you see, it is way brighter, and this is very much helpful when you are touring or riding in foggy condition or rainy weather, and you are stuck somewhere or you want some supports. So you can use this as a support by changing over to the hazard relay. There are different patterns you can choose. So as you can see, it is way brighter. So the switch is fitted onto my left side handlebar. There is an on off switch, and below that there is a small pattern change button, so from which you can change the pattern according to the situation. So friends, hope you have enjoyed watching this Simtech hazard relay and LED bulb fitment onto the Interceptor at Gear Motorcycle, which is at Adugodi, Bangalore. So keep watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.